All right, guys, standing in front of this new property I just picked up. I'm gonna take you inside. This property is gonna be renovated and rented out. I bought this all cash for $35,000. It needs a ton of work, so let's go check this out on this episode of Learn and Earn, Ryan Troyer TV. First step that you want to do when you do pick up a new property, so your contractors do get access, get yourself a lockbox. That'll come in handy, letting people in and out. You don't have to meet them. That is definitely something you'll want to do. So this property needs a ton of work, full rehab. Taking you through the living room here. Yesterday I had ripped up the flooring. The entire floor needs to be replaced. Kitchen cabinets, gonna replace them. Fridge, actually gonna keep since this is a rental. The homeowner we bought this from already had one installed. So this property right here, a tree hit it and scuffed it right through there. So let's walk through the living room and check out the first bedroom. So this bedroom's pretty basic. It's gonna get a coat of paint, obviously new flooring throughout the house, and a new closet door. Wait till we get to the back bathroom and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this closet. So we're on the second bedroom right here. All the stuff's going to be taken off the walls and the curtains are going to be down. Fresh paint, fresh floors, fresh trim, and a fresh closet door. So the master bedroom, same thing, paint, drywall, we're fixing it, taking that stuff off the wall, closet door, interior door. So if you remember the hallway closet just a few seconds ago, that butts up to this bathroom. We're gonna take that wall, knock it down, put a stand-up shower there, making this house a 2 full bath versus the 1.5. That's a big value add, along with adding a full legal bedroom. And here's the second full bath. Already complete. We don't have to knock down any walls or anything. We're gonna get a new tub, toilet, vanity, and make it look nice and pretty. So we're gonna start here in the kitchen. You just got the full walkthrough. The game plan for this property is gonna be to strip all these panel walls, get some nice drywall in here. All the interior doors will be replaced. We have a few windows to replace. Obviously the plywood in the floor we're gonna replace. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, but for added value, put an HVAC system. How you add value to properties, you add bedrooms and make the bathrooms bigger. This right here is going to be converted into a living quarters. The window will be replaced out there. It's rotted pretty bad. We're going to shoot some HVAC vents down there behind the plywood and the bricks. And build a closet. A property like this will take it to a 4-bedroom, 1.5. But if we're gonna add extra value whenever you can with minimal demolition, we are gonna downsize this closet here. All of this wall right here will be taken out. We will put a stand-up shower in it that will lead to this bathroom. So this is a half bath, no tub, no shower. We're gonna reconfigure the plumbing in this, put the toilet on a different side, and above the toilet here, we are gonna put the stand-up shower. That's a game plan here. Taking this from a 3, 1.5 to a 4, 2. we can get more rent, and when we do decide to sell it, we are going to get significantly more for it. First thing you want to do on the outside to get this place looking better, you saw that before photo, take out the landscaping, take out the overgrown bushes. It's not pretty right now, but it's a lot better than what it was looking. All that was covered. Big ugly dead tree was sitting here. We got a little bit of it left right there, but luckily a property like this, the skid steer comes in handy. We do demolition, we do removal. That is my business, so we get that knocked out real quick. Plan for the back of the property. The rooftop awning here, all that's gonna go. The skid steer is gonna take care of that. All that cleared out. Trees right here, again, landscaping. It definitely looks horrible. All these trees, we're gonna take those out. Already started taking and piling some of these with the skid steer, so these will be taken out. This tree right here, as long as we're putting money into this, we're gonna put some money into prevention, because a tree did fall on this house already. I don't want it to happen again when I'm an owner. This one right here, all this will be taken out. Doesn't look like a healthy tree on the bottom. All these will be taken out. And I can do most of these myself, and I'm going to. What I can't do is climb a tree. So this big guy right there, big pine tree, we're gonna get a climber in here. This tree's actually leaning very nicely towards the house. So we need to get that one taken care of ASAP. Why we want to do that? Because there's actually a small creek that flows here, and that's why it happened to the other one when it came on the house. This shed, that'll be demoed and removed by me and my team. As far as the trees goes, this one will also need a climber to climb up there and remove it. I can do the haul away, so I'm saving a little bit there and sacrificing a little bit of time, but that's way too high for me. I'm not going up there. So that's the game plan for the backyard here, and I'm sure there'll be a million other things. The roof, I'm not gonna mess with. We're gonna get a new one, and we're having a roofer come in, re-shingle it. Some of the plywood's actually messed up there, so he'll take care of that. This property does not have an HVAC. It does not have a central heating and cooling. So I already got one estimate on that. I'm only getting one more, and then we're just gonna do it. The HVAC should go on this side, along with the return. Quote for that, this is a full package, ductwork and everything. It was $8,900 for a packaged unit. So that's not too bad of a price. Again, when you buy a property like this, be ready to put some money into it. You're gonna get a roof, HVAC, a distressed deal like this, $35,000. That's what you're gonna get. Windows, luckily, I'm not gonna really do too much with them. They are vinyl windows, they're not wood, so I'm not gonna put too much thought into it. Again, we're gonna clean up all this on the outside and get this looking right like theirs. So most of you guys watching this, you're going to want to know the renovation costs for one or multiple parts of this project and what the home's value is going to be worth on part 2 of this series. So be sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss out on that second video, the full run through of the property, doing the work, different contractors there, every little step that we can document. We're going to be putting that in the next video. If you guys have any questions, drop them below in comments or reach out via email, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching.